Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock the Sky Galleon Merchant in Crimson Desert. There are two things that you need to complete first before you unlock this merchant. First, you need to take down the Iron Wing Ren X. Our How to Get the Tech Gloves video in the channel covers that, so please make sure to check it out. Second, you need to be at least on the first mission of Chapter 11 to access this merchant. To avoid spoilers, there's an area that you'll liberate that's part of the main story where this merchant flies through. Now, once you've completed both, head to this side of the map. This is at the north of Delicia, just above the letter K from the word Gortak. There will be a fast travel point on this exact spot, so don't worry about the precise location. Once you're here, you'll see this blimp up in the sky. Now, there are a couple of ways that you can get there. First is by using a mount that you'll unlock late in the game. Second is by jumping off a sky island that's near this location. And lastly, by doing consecutive aerial stabs and drinking stamina teas to get to the blimp. I'll do the third one since I have a couple of pine mushroom teas in my inventory. The vendor in this galleon sells a lot of rare materials that is not normally found on other vendors scattered in Pywell. So if you're looking to buy rare materials, make sure you unlock this vendor. And that's how to unlock the Sky Galleon Merchant in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.